How to add a house or business location name on Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add a missing place, your business location, or your house name in Google Maps. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Maps application, and once you do so, this is what it will look like. Now point the cursor onto your location that you would like to add. Once you do so, double tap onto your location and you will see add a missing place. Tap onto that option and now enter your place name. Enter your category if it's office, if it's services, or if it's lodging. Also locate your location within. Here you can add your landmark and tap on add more details. Here you can also add your opening hours of your business. Now let's go ahead and add a photo. Once you do so, tap on to save on your bottom right and tap on to submit. Now Google will review your location and you will get notified within 24 hours. Once you do so, your location will be added onto Google Maps. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.